Hello, Doc Bryce here with my kids. We are going to have a training, bike and run training preparation for the Phoenix kids. Wow! Train with the family, start them young, adapt and evolve, be the best version of your family. Kayang-kaya niyan, basta suportahan lang tayo. Bye!